In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule an event on Google Calendar. Maybe a meeting time has changed, or something unexpected came up and you need to move an appointment. Instead of deleting and recreating the event, you can quickly reschedule it so that everyone stays updated and all the details remain intact. I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and find the meeting or event you want to change. You can switch between views like day, week, or month if that makes it easier to spot. Once you see the event in your calendar, click directly on it to open the small preview window. This is where you'll see the title, date, time, and guest list. From that preview, look for the pencil or pen icon. This is the edit button. Click on that pen icon to open the full event details. Editing the event from here ensures that all changes you make, like the date, time, or description, are properly saved and can be sent to your guests. Now that you're in the event editor, focus on the date field near the top, next to the event title. Click on the date itself. This will open a calendar picker where you can see the current month and quickly move to a different day. If you need a date in a different month, use the small arrows to navigate forward or backward until you see the correct month. Once you've found the new day you want, click on that date to select it. If necessary, adjust the start and end times just below the date field so that the event matches your new schedule. It's a good idea to quickly review the rest of the event details, like the location and description, to make sure everything still makes sense for the new time. When you're satisfied with the changes, go to the top or bottom of the event editor and click on Save. Google Calendar will recognize that the event has been updated, and if there are guests invited, it will ask whether you want to notify them. To let everyone know about the new schedule, click on Send when prompted. This will email updated invitations or notifications to all guests so they can see the new date and time in their own calendars. And that's it. Your event is now rescheduled and everyone has been informed of the change.